We now come to herbs for resolving phlegm and for relieving coughs. The most common one used that most of you would have come across is called 贝母, which is sometimes called 川贝母 or 浙贝. There are actually two forms of 贝母, one called 川贝and the other called 浙贝. It's bitter and slightly cold, and it's very good for resolving phlegm due to heat. Heat, especially phlegm that is yellowish or greenish in nature and somewhat thick. The difference between 川贝 and 浙贝 is that the 川贝 moistens the lung and is more suitable for chronic dry cough, and it's used in formulations like 川贝枇杷膏, which is available commonly in medicine shops. 浙贝 is stronger in clearing coughs that have heat. Hence, it is preferred for cough arising from 风热 or wind heat or 痰热 or phlegm heat. 枇杷叶 or loquat leaves are bitter, slightly cold. It is a herb that is also used in 川贝枇杷膏. It's used to treat chronic and dry coughs, and it is usually processed with honey to soothe and moisten the lungs. 川贝枇杷膏 is sweet and is used for dry and chronic coughs, accompanied by viscous phlegm. It relieves vomiting and nausea arising from stomach fire, stomach heat. Next, we talk about almonds, which I think many of us use, either eat as a snack or use in cooking. Almonds are bitter and warm, and if it is in the form of northern almonds, which we call 北杏仁, and it is sweet and neutral, not so warm, if it is in the form of 南杏仁. So there are two kinds of 杏仁 or almonds, 北杏仁, 南杏仁. 北杏仁 being bitter, and therefore it's also sometimes called 苦杏仁 or bitter almonds. Whereas southern almonds are sweet and are not as warm. Both share the same function of relieving coughs. They have some fat content which helps to promote bowel movement. The northern almond or bitter almond, being bitter in taste, can be slightly poisonous, slightly toxic, so it cannot be taken in excess. It's good for treating coughs and to breathlessness due to coughs. The southern almonds or 南杏仁 is sweeter, is less toxic. So the main difference in application is the southern almonds are milder and more suitable for use in cooking, whereas the northern almonds or 北杏仁 are more bitter and often used for medical prescriptions.